There are printers located on all 3 floors of the library, on the ground floor by the help desk, on the first floor in group study, and on the second floor in silent study. To print, you first need to send your document from your university account. If you're printing from your own device, you'll need to have MobilityPrint installed. You can do this from the page linked in the description. When sending your document to print, select the printer called RHUL Print. Make sure to check your color, paper size, and printing size before clicking print. To collect your printing, tap your ID card on any of the printers in the library. The first time you do this, you'll need to enter your university username and password. Once you've logged into the printer, you can press Print All to collect everything you've sent to print, or go into Print to select items and change settings. After your printing is finished, make sure to log out by pressing the button in the top right corner. You can also use the printers to copy and scan documents. If you need to top up your print credit, you can do so online.